As we're looking here at the stock market, we notice that there was good news that was spread out there. What is that good news? Welcome back. This is CeoTrades, where money works for you. Remember, I am not your financial advisor. Always seek professional advice before making financial decisions. The markets have been down, but then all of a sudden, U.S. stocks rose Friday after the Federal Reserve's preferred measure of inflation for April approved in line with market expectations, with the smallest increase in a year and a half. The smallest increase in a year and a half. All three indices are looking at strong gains for the week after the S&P 500 came within a whisker of falling into a bear market. That is correct. We can see that right here. Let me just bring that up. Right here, we can see that in the last hours of trading, the stock market has gone up. The S&P 500 index has gone up. The numbers are positive, although will they hold? Will they not? We're still expecting some more numbers to be released next week, but this is where it ended today. 4,158 from its levels of, let's see, the low level that it had up in here was almost a 2.5% gain pretty much from the start of the day and from yesterday, but it seems to be going up for several days right now from the 3,800 mark. It's gone up a good 10% or so. That's amazing in the last 4 days. 10% to be made in the SPX. But let's take a look at the stocks that we were alerting yesterday that we noticed. This is Land, and Land made a positive move as well. As we can see here, Land has also made a positive move in the last several days from its lows of 22. It's gone up. I like Land for long term. You can't make Land, so Land is limited supply, and there's good things coming from Gladstone Land. This is the Bitcoin market right in here. We already saw that. 28,787 is where it's at right now. The positive news in the stock market did not affect it. This is Marathon. This is just a hold on the ETFs of the crypto world, and it seems to be making a positive move. It was at 853. It's up to 1023. I have some that I picked up at $16. Although I'm down $1,700, I'm still holding because I know this one will go up in the long term as well. U1 has made some gains for me, not a lot, but it's I could cash out if I wanted to, but I'm holding for a bigger purpose that's coming up. U1, Urban One, Carve also has gone up. It's amazing. I've made some money in here if I wanted to cash out now, but I'm holding as well for a better purpose in the next week or two. I will be cashing out. I don't know when exactly, but it will depend on the news. This is Berkshire Hathaway, which I alerted yesterday, and I told you how far down it's come from its $544,000 high. It's at $478,000. It's made a positive move, at least 5% from its lows yesterday. That's amazing. Now I want to show you here. Plug Power is one of those companies that I believe in the long term it's going to make lots of money. Yesterday, as we alerted it, over 10 years, it's made 18% year-over-year returns for people. That's very positive. You can see here I'm up $1,900 on this one, but I'm still down overall on this one. JetBlue has made a little bit of a positive gain, not much. We don't know how its merger is if it's gonna be able to purchase Spirit. It will depend on the voting from the investors at Spirit Airlines. SAVE, it's known as the ticker symbol SAVE. Here is SAVE, Spirit Airlines, and this one is still pretty much at 20, even though it went down a little bit, but it's pretty much holding at 20. It's amazing that this one is selling and that JetBlue is down half. And according to what I see, JetBlue is lacking in pilots, and that's why they're hoping to purchase Spirit so that they can get back on track with their trends in travel and being on top, because right now they're at the bottom of services. This is Nike, and yesterday as we alerted it, it was at 115 or so. It's still there, 107 yesterday, and today it had a low of 102. 102. And this one, as I said, it went from a wants company to a needs. People need to have Nikes. I even purchased a pair of Nikes for my wife and myself today. LOL. There's a positive note in there. I wanted to show you two more in here as we can look. That Starbucks has made a little bit of a positive move as well. And Netflix has made a little bit of a positive move. It is way down from its highs of 700. I believe this is a good dip buy. Netflix is a powerhouse and it will come back. It will come back at least it will double or so to the 300 range. That's what my perspective is. I could be wrong, but that's what I would invest in this one. This is Delta Airlines, and Delta Airlines consolidated all day from making its spike at the beginning of the day, but it's not by much. It went up to from 41 to 42, and that's it. So this is it for today. The stocks and crypto markets keep changing on a daily basis. It will depend on news. It will depend on who's accepting it, whether the moves will come in. Stay tuned until the next one, where we'll review more of the crypto and stocks market to find out how you can double your bank account. Why? Because it's so important for you to invest, to learn, and to keep on creating new methods of investing. Take care.